Hi, and welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, July 30th of 2024. I'm Giovanni Benacourt, analyst, trader, and educator with Vantage Markets. All right, so let's get right with it. Traders behave in strange ways. Sometimes they'll buy a stock on a rumor and sell it when the news is confirmed. Sometimes when companies beat expectations on earnings, they sell and take profits or buy when they miss. All the signs point to that kind of topsy-turvy week. We're going to be having Microsoft along with Amazon reporting this week. And today, they're going to be reporting today. Amazon and Microsoft are going to be reporting today. And then we'll have Apple and Meta later on the week. Tomorrow, we're going to be having Jerome Powell come out and give his minutes. So we're going to be having a nice volatile week. So that with that being said, let's take a look at what we can speculate for today's fluctuation. Yesterday we saw the market did rally to the upside, but quickly just not really reaching not even 19,400, and it retreated. Today we did had a lower fluctuation throughout the London session, but we quickly recovered. Let's see if that momentum will spill over into the US session and again try to reach that 19,400 level. So going with the trend as we speak, if we were to open right now, we'll be opening to the upside. Along with the S&P, we're going to be seeing also perhaps the same kind of token movement as yesterday. So take a look at going long the S&P. The Dow was the one that actually fluctuated lower yesterday after having a nice little run to the upside. 41,000 has happened to be the resistance level for it. So today it is basically just not flattish, but it is looking that way. So let's see if this indecision will give us another boost to 41,000. And then the Russell yesterday just also fluctuated towards the 2280 level, but quickly retreated, and now is looking. It actually opened with a gap down, and it's been close. So will that mean that we're gonna continue to move lower? I'm gonna have to lower my level of support to 2210 and bring down my resistance to right around 2290, I will say. So the Russell is giving some different signs. Okay, now crude oil. Wow. Okay, so crude oil is just tanking. $74 is gonna be that level for 77. The resistance, 74. The support. Our side about to enter into the oversold territory. So let's keep that in mind. So going with the trend, selling it. Then we have Nat Gas. Also Nat Gas is about to make another move to the downside. So 1.90 is going to be the level of support, and 210 that resistance. So selling it also. Then gold. Let's take a look at gold. Okay, gold. So it's looking to do an imbalance scenario today. So the medium is going to act as a level of resistance, dynamic resistance for it. So let's see if it'll just stay shopping, just trading sideways. Then we have silver. That seems to do the same thing as gold. Let's bring down our level of resistance, 2850. Let's leave that level of support. So also most likely choppiness, sideways movement. Okay, so $4 for copper. Will it do a counter trend? Will it continue to move and then hit 4 and then do the counter and move to the upside? Let's see if that will be happening. So keep your eyes peeled. Bitcoin. So after all of this momentum, from Donald Trump's speech, Bitcoin reached 70,000, but it quickly just plunged to below 66. So will that happen? Will continue today? 66. I'm looking at perhaps it has found some footing. So you might think about going long. Ethereum is the one that's looking nicely moving to the upside. So let's see if you don't take another chat at 3,400. So buying Ethereum. The currency is looking mighty weak. The euro looking to stay strongly, stay up north of 108. Let's see if it'll hold that level. The pound looking to stay north of 128. Let's see if it'll do that. And that could happen if the dollar index decides to move lower, but it seems to be just, ramping up. So 104.6 is the resistance. And if that happens to move to even higher, we'll see those currencies trading lower and the metals also trending lower. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.